better stop now. Whoa, whoa, whoa! This is for me. Nope, it's all for just you. Can I get this? 32 Star Wars Valentine's stickers. That's cool. Bonus poster. That's cool.
Wow, this is for all. This is for all.
Oh, that's cool. That's a Valentine's box.
Oh, neat, buddy.
You can have that for kids.
Whoa, this is for all of us.
What is it? Oh, candy canes.
Oh, I got this. Wow, is that yours?
Valentine's cake.
Put that in, no, put that in your class and kids put the Valentine's Day in there. So you can choose which ones you want. These ones are 16.
What is that, Jesse? Let me see.
Oh,
Well, I guess you
Oh,
can use those.
Oh, a bear. Oh, my word, Belle.
You got like millions, thousands of them.
wow.
Yeah, ready to make some bracelets.
What's this?
Valentine's Day.
Well, I
Look,
got a
it's-
bunch of them.
It's a box.
Well, and there's more stuff in here. There's something in here.
Another one.
There's something in here too.
I think there's cards in there, and then you use the box to take to school.
Wow, this is a bunch of
Come here, Jack.
stuff.
Let me see. Oh, nice. So can you say thank you, Aunt Mary? Say thank you, Aunt Mary. Aunt Mary.
Oh,
Jack, can you say thank you, Aunt Mary?
Thank you, Aunt Mary.